Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can add a custom font in Photopea. So first, what you will have to do is, of course, have your font file ready, which is either TTF or OTF. And by the way, this is useful to match brand typography or use a unique headline font. So yeah, first you will have to go to the file, which is right here, and then you will click open and open the font file, which is either TTF or OTF, and then Photopea will basically load the font into the font list automatically, and then you will switch to the type tool, which is right here, and then you will click on the on your canvas, and then choose your newly loaded font from the font drop down menu, which you can find right here. So yeah, once you already have your font, you will just see it from this list. So yeah, that's it. And if you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.